Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, although we had it last week too, so sorry for the repeat, but it's my new pattern, Light in the Darkness. So the kits were on pre-order last week. They're now either ready for pickup. Well, we're zooming, sorry. They're either ready for pickup or have been shipped. The patterns are now for sale in shop. The kits are available, so we have the Sunrise variety. We have the greens, which is what I made the sample with. And then we have very limited quantities of the American Gatherings 3 version. We cannot make more of this because you all really loved this beautiful line and I can't get more. I might come up with another one if you guys sell out of this really fast, which it seems like maybe you're gonna. So you can get all those things. We're also working on other color varieties like a purples and a blues and so many fun things. Okay, next are the Honey Horizons Precuts there. They can say, okay, we have this whole line in. It was on Tuesday's show. We have a fat eighth, a fat quarter, and the layer cake. I love this line. I'm super excited about it. I have a kit idea rolling around in my brain. It just screams summertime, friends, and I'm here for it because you know how I hate the cold weather. I mean, I talk about it all the time. I really hate being cold, and this just is like, it's outside summer, picnic, beach, riding your bike vibes. And it's awesome. And she's a new designer. And the only way new designers do well is if you buy their stuff. So you should love her as much as I do. Okay? Okay. Is there anything else new? Yes. Where am I going? Tell me. Oh, yes! AGF. Oh, yes. Okay. This is Season and Spice by AGF. It's actually a bit of an older line, but we just jumped on the bandwagon now. I actually think I might make a quilt coat with some of it. I'm pretty jazzed about that. So that's not all that's new. Boy, what am I talking about? Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm losing my mind today, guys. Okay, you know we love kitchen table quilting patterns. Well, she relaunched some are new, and we went ahead and bulked up on them. So just check out the link and you'll see all the ones we carry because they are they're pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome and they're very well written patterns and they're beautiful. Like, I want to make that quilt exactly like that. And I can't say that about every pattern, guys. So, those are really beautiful and you should buy them. Okay, this Sunday is the Fab Stash Show with Caleb and I at 3 p.m. In order to be entered to win one of our 2 giveaways, you must be, like, watching live on the show and answer this question. Here's the question. We are gearing up for ice cream season. In fact, the Whippy Dip near us is already open and packed all the time. So, the question is, what is your favorite ice cream? Part 2, are you like a Whippy Dip, Creamy Whip, soft serve kind of person? And what's your favorite kind? Or are you like from the carton? Or are you like a gelato fan? I mean, your favorite creamy frozen dessert. What kind is it? What flavor? Tell us all the things. I'll answer your phone call in a minute, ma'am. Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.